Morning everyone, it is Monday morning now. I'm just starting my new vlog. We were meant to go to the gym this morning, but I didn't really have the best night's sleep. There was a pure bad storm that woke me and my legs were literally covered in bites. They were so itchy like all night, so I couldn't get up this morning. I don't even care, like I'll just go tomorrow or something, but I think we're just going to go for breakfast now and then we go to the beach for a walk. How do you feel after your 20 pounds yesterday?
Good.
Good.
10 out of 10.
That's why you made it to the gym this morning?
Day off.
Right, so we've decided we're going to go to CrossFit. There's a class at 4, so we're just going to go. And the loud noise, but we just finished CrossFit there. It was actually so hard, like my hands, look at the shape of them, so sore. But Dougie's just in the money exchange there, getting money change, and then we're going to go just straight to the beach to see sunset because it's like 6:10 and it sets at like 4 to 7, so instead of going home and getting showered and then ending up pure sandy again, we're just going to go straight to the beach and then we're going to get showered soon after. But like, I'm actually soaking. Down here now, and there's 2 different geckos on the roof, and I'm shitting myself. Yes, Doogie got 2 meals, 2 rices.
I couldn't decide.
So I got both.
Couldn't decide. Butter chicken, jalfrezi.
And I got vegetable curry just. So we're just back from dinner there. So we got 3 mains. Doogie got 2 mains, 2 rice, and I got a main and a rice, and a garlic naan and 2 bottles of water. Guess how much we paid? £9. £9.70 for that. Like, isn't that mad? And like, see at home, Taj Mahal, you pay about £13 just for a main. That's not including your side or anything. £9. Can't get over it.
Taste test, trying coffee again, see if you like it in Bali.
Had to get the deer ones, couldn't get just the normal ones.
I want to do a jump.
Do you need them to do a jump?
You're not allowed to do a jump.
Three hours later.
Jump!
we're just back from, it was called Bali Wake Park, I think that's what the name is. I didn't vlog before, but yeah, we went there and there was like wakeboarding and like, you know, the big inflatable things. I didn't do wakeboarding because my hands are so sore. And I was like, obviously it's pure grip in it. I was like, I don't even want to hurt them anymore, but I think I'll probably go back at some stage, so I'll try it then. But yeah, it was a good day, and I think we're gonna go for dinner now to a place that has 2 for 1 pizzas, and I'm absolutely starving because I haven't ate since at breakfast earlier. I didn't even eat half of it either because I got a wee bit sickening. So yeah, I'm absolutely starving. I'm just out of the shower washing my hair. I'm not even trying it because I can't even be bothered.
Crying.
You're just sitting there like, morning everyone. I don't know why I look so white in this. I don't use my camera. But it's Wednesday morning now and just eating some cereal. We woke up this morning, we went out, we're not going to the gym. I was out my hands. Are still so sore from Monday. Like they're actually like red raw. But then we missed the CrossFit class at 9, but we're going to go to different classes at 10. Dougie's going to go to the Olympic lifting and I'm going to go to the booty boulder class. And if I can't hold any weights, I'll just do body weight. But it's better than not going at all. Right, so we're just back there from the gym. I'm actually really glad I went because it wasn't really sore at all, because it was, a lot of it was body weight and stuff. But yeah, it's like 10 to 12 now. We're just showered and ready and we're going to head to a waterfall today. It's near like Ubud, but it's only like a 52-minute drive, and sure, that water park we went to yesterday was like 45 minutes, so it really isn't that bad. It's called I don't know how to pronounce it. Tegenungan. No, I don't know how to pronounce it. I've got it up in Google Translate trying to pronounce it, but I don't know. What is it?
Tegenungan.
Right. I think it's one of the most popular ones people go to when they come here anyway. But yeah, the GoPro yesterday, we tried to use it when we were in like the water park bit, but we thought it was charged and it was dead, but then Dougie charged it there last night and it's still like not really working. So fingers crossed it works when we get there. We might need a new battery, but fingers crossed it works. If not, I'll try and vlog a wee bit on my phone, because my phone is like water, is it waterproof, or like what's the other one called? Water resistant. So I'll vlog a wee bit anyway. burger isn't for me. I'm getting food after, but Dougie, I just had to come with him and he wanted to get 2 burgers. Okay, update. Today I'm eating. Oh, I just dropped it. I'm eating this burger. And I get to eat my dinner. Yummy. We're just back from dinner there, but I wanted to say about that waterfall earlier. We obviously, we were wearing our Crocs and we wore them when we actually went into the water because there's a load of like stones and rocks, and also I'd recommend bringing like shoes that you can actually wear into water because it can be a bit sore on your feet and stuff. But it was actually so nice, and it was so easy got to. Like, if you're confident enough on the scooter, definitely go on your scooter. If not, just like get a car there. It really didn't take that long. Good morning. It is Thursday morning now and we're just getting up and going for breakfast here. We're going to a place, Bali Bowls and Smoothies it's called. I'm completely starving, but yeah, we're just gonna have a chill day today. Come back, we have a few things to do when we're out, and then we're just gonna come back and lay by the pool, top up our tans, and then tonight we're gonna go to the gym about 4:30 like we did on Monday. His haircut, this is it before. Let's see if he gets butchered or not.
If I do, I'm getting she's all over.
Right, he's back. What do we think? Give us a wee twirl.
I think that all.
It looks pure white at the back.
What? Because it's obviously powder.
Right, is it?
Powder at the back.
Alright.
Feel how smooth that is. Can you see it in your thing? How bald it is?
There's literally no hair there.
Skin fade.
Yeah.
Hit up my man Putra.
Dad. We're just back there from the gym, got showered really quick, and we're just going to go to the beach. Hopefully see a sunset. It is looking a bit cloudy, but we'll see, and then we're going to go for dinner. So we're just back from the gym there now. It's Friday morning. We done the 9 AM CrossFit and then we done the weightlifting class after. It was actually really, really good. So I think I'm going to do that from now on. But one of the workouts was a box over burpees. And Dougie fell doing one of them, but was like kind of got away with it. Like no one really seen. And then we were looking at the Wanderlust Instagram after, and they got it on Instagram.
No, and they put it up twice.
They put it up twice for some reason. So I'll insert it here so you can We're just back now, just got showered, and then we're just gonna go to a cafe now. Do go and get a coffee, and I'm just gonna edit this video. So we're just back there from the wee cafe we were at. We were at the Common, for anyone who cares. But it's actually a really nice wee cafe and it's good to like work in as well. But it's like 3:30 now. We're just going to go to the beach for a walk, and then Dougie's got soccer at 5, so we need to be back for it. Ended up going to watch Dougie play soccer, and that led to we were drinking cocktails when we were there, and then that led to we'll go to the bar for 2 drinks. More than two drinks happened, and now we're back home getting Gojek again. Yeah, really did not mean for this to happen. I was really planning like a nice evening. We were going to go for a nice dinner, and now we're sitting here eating pasta.
Gotcha, bitch.
Where's this? Pasta. So it's Saturday morning now. Had a nice wee night in this morning and we're just getting up now and we're going for some food. There's a few wee nice shops right like where we are staying, so I might go look in them because I want to see how dirty the clothes are and I might get something. It's Saturday night now and we're just getting ready. We're going out for dinner to a place called Shima Teppanyaki. I think that's what you call it. There's like a big group of us going, so should be fun. And then we're going to a place called The Barn after, just for drinks. We'll see how many he has. He had 20 last week. How many are you going to have today?
No, I probably won't. What time will we get there?
Last week?
No, this week.
We'll get there at like 9 probably.
Maybe just 10.
Just the 10. Ready to go.
It's like a set menu as well. Like last time, like these things. So if you pick.
Final. Gasoline. Oh, gasoline, yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys, the fireworks. Happy New Year, yeah? Yeah, fireworks. Yeah. This is the all aboard. Smoky Mountain.
I'm not a fish man. It's bad on here.
No pressure, yeah? Yeah. Okay, holding one, tag over. Ready?
Maybe last on it.
3, 1, up. Yeah. Ready to fire. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you all very much.
Just gonna end this vlog here now. It's Sunday. Yeah, we were out last night and we decided like we live like 5 minutes away from that bar, so like yeah, we'll just walk home. Like it's literally pointless getting a car, and we walked to the end of the road the bar was on, and like I only had 2 drinks, so I was like completely sober basically. And I just seen this boy do like a pure quick U-turn at the end of the road, and I was like, what the fuck? So I like grabbed on my bag like pure tight, and he like swerved pure close to me and like tried to pull my bag, and like because I had my bag pure tight, he didn't get it, but he he broke the strap and completely ripped my top open. I'll show you it. It's lying upstairs, but I swear it was like the scariest thing ever. And then I give my bag to Dougie and we continue to walk home, and then all we see is this other scooter come. I don't know if it was the same person or it was different people, comes up beside us and tried to grab it off Dougie again. Like it was actually so scary. Like thank God they didn't get anything, and like they didn't get my phone or my bag or anything, but I swear like it was so scary, and now I'm just like not really in the best form because of it. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I don't really plan on doing anything today, and hopefully I'll be in better form when I start my next one. But yeah, thanks so much for watching.